tech time. What's up, everyone? Back at you again with another video. And today we got the Note 10, iPhone XS Max, and the Pixel 3 XL. And you know what? I'm in need of some good scenery. So let's go downtown Chicago. So without further ado, let's get this started. Okay, so starting with a couple indoor shots, we have a picture right here of the pineapple. And right off the bat, I'm going to get this one to the Pixel 3 XL. The colors, the contrast, just everything about this photo looks very pleasing to me. Next, I'll probably say the Galaxy Note 10. The bokeh around the stem looks better than what is displaying on the iPhone. The colors and the contrast look a little bit better as well. iPhone looks a little bit washed out in this photo. So Pixel 3 XL, Galaxy Note 10, then iPhone XS Max. Okay, in this shot again, the Pixel 3 XL kind of looks like it's on a whole nother level. The image quality looks closer to a DSLR. The other two look good as well. The iPhone looks like it's on a warmer side, and the Galaxy Note 10 is on the cooler side along with the Pixel 3 XL. But for this one, for my taste, I'm going to have to go with the Pixel 3 XL, then Galaxy Note 10, and then iPhone XS Max. Alright, in this photo right here of my girlfriend's beautiful drawing, you can see all three look really good. Pixel 3 XL is looking a little bit on the darker side, and in the top left corner is starting to get blown out. Galaxy Note 10 looks like the most well balanced between the three, and the iPhone XS Max is looking a little bit on the warm side. So for this one, I'm going to give it to the Galaxy Note 10, iPhone XS Max, and then Pixel 3 XL. Right here is the super slow-mo at 960 frames per second. And you see it doesn't look that great, but it's a pretty cool feature. In this photo, it's really hard for me to choose a winner. All three of them look really good. So this really is going to boil down to personal preference. For me, I think I'm going to go with the Pixel 3 XL. The Galaxy Note 10 looks really good as well. I can definitely see the greens are a little bit more saturated compared to the iPhone XS Max and Pixel 3 XL. But I think for this one, I'm going to go with the Pixel 3 XL. But just to show you how crazy the Galaxy Note 10 could get, check this out. Bam! This is the wide angle lens standing in the same exact spot as I took those previous photos. Amazing. For this shot of the flower, since I took it in landscape mode, I just decided to do separate slides for each instead of putting them all together so you guys can get a better view of the full-size image. So the Galaxy Note 10 is looking like the brightest, or it is the brightest I should say, and it's overexposed in certain areas like on top of the flower. But a lot of people might like that bright image. Me personally, it looks pleasing, but let's go take a look at the iPhone and the Pixel 3 XL before I make my judgment. Okay. Alright, so the iPhone XS Max is looking pretty good. I feel like the exposure should be a little bit, the exposure should be better. But the location I was in, I didn't really have much sunlight coming in from my back way. But the leaves, the greens, the colors, the pinks, the purples, whatever it is, looks great to me. Okay, the Pixel 3 XL is looking similar to the iPhone XS Max. As I stated before, the flower itself is a little underexposed on both of them, and the Galaxy is the brightest. So some people might go for the brightest image. Me personally, I think I'm going to give it to the iPhone XS Max for this one. The Galaxy Note 10 does look pleasing, but it's it overexposed in some areas. In this photo, the Galaxy Note 10 is the brightest out of all three. The iPhone is in between, and the Pixel is the darkest. It's really hard for me to choose a winner for this one, but for my taste, I'm going to say the Pixel 3 XL, iPhone XS Max, and then the Galaxy Note 10. Once again, the Pixel and its software magic crushes the other two. Yes, it's a little bit darker, but the effect it gives off is mind-blowing. The Galaxy Note 10 again looks like it's overexposing at the top of the bricks, and the iPhone is in between. So for me, Pixel 3 XL, iPhone, then Note 10. This right here is an amazing shot I took using the wide angle lens on the Galaxy Note 10. Alright, this is the front facing video on all the phones. Downtown right now. It's pretty busy out here. Which one you guys like better? Front facing video. This is the live focus front facing video Galaxy Note 10. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not in a ton of light right now, so hopefully it plays out good. Live focus video Galaxy Note 10. Okay, so in this photo right here, the sun was starting to set, so I kind of had to take the photos quickly. I'm pretty sure you already know which one I'm going to go with, and that's the Pixel 3 XL. Even though the Galaxy Note 10 looks like it has the better edge detection out of all three, the Pixel just looks professional. And in this photo, I'm not really liking how bright the Galaxy made me. A classic mirror selfie. It seems like Samsung has a liking towards softer images. It looks like my arms has the beauty effect going on. The iPhone is the darkest, and the Pixel, again, looks the best in this one. We got the video right here. Galaxy Note 10, 4K, 30 frames per second. This is the wide angle lens. As you can see, wide angle lens. I'll go ahead and zoom in right now with the regular. And that's the regular. Switch to the wide angle. I'm really digging that wide angle right there. That's max, 4K, 30 frames per second. Pixel 3 XL, 4K, 30 frames per second. What you guys think? Looks pretty solid on all the devices actually. Pixel 3 XL. For the next few shots leading to the night, I'm not going to do too much talking just because I don't want the video to be super long, but for this one, I'll go with the Galaxy Note 10. I really like how good it made the cookies look in this one. Okay, now based off this test, all three of these phones performed really good. Now, for me, if I only had to choose one, I'm gonna pick the Pixel 3 XL. Just because the photos just look fantastic. The photos are great on all, but the Pixel 3 XL looks closer to a DSLR. So that's just my personal choice. But let me know what you all think. Which one you think was better? Maybe I was wrong about something. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. As always, salute to the flag. It's for the love attack. And I'm going to catch you all on the next one. Peace.